Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. So this is not the type of introduction I want to do, but I am in a rush. We are behind schedule. Y'all see it. It's moving day. The day is finally here, y'all. It's 9:30. We were supposed to leave my hometown, which is 2 hours away from my place, at 8 o'clock, but we didn't get to leave because I ended up coming and getting way more stuff than I thought I was gonna get. So I'm gonna show y'all. So this is the back of the U-Haul. Y'all can't even see what's all in here. This the little, well, this not the smallest one, but this is like the medium size one, and it can fit like 2 queen size beds or whatever. So yeah, so I got my mattress, my box spring, I got a whole little dresser that I didn't know I was getting, I got a whole little TV stand that I didn't know I was getting. My fiance mama gave me this bean bag, so I was super excited about that. She had a bigger one, but I had asked too late to get it, so I didn't end up getting it. And way back there, it's a little couch. So I had came and I just got fully decked out. For real, like my grandparents really did it up, and they really like let me take all the stuff that they wasn't using. So this is my granddaddy truck. Obviously big body, don't play. So yeah, I gotta tote this. My fiance is making me drive because he wants me to learn how to, he says be a safe driver, but I drive better than him, so I don't even know why he's trying that with me. But like I said, I'm trying to hurry up. This lighting on this is bad. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car, probably when we get to where we going, because like I said, it's snap. So I probably won't talk to y'all until I'm able to do the empty apartment tour when we get there. So I'll probably try to get all that together, and yeah, we just gonna hurry up and we try to get on the road because I'm excited and we out here.
Later.
So I'm in the apartment. Chase, please. Dang. We made it here safe. Everything was going really good. And then, so we made it here safe. And originally, the lady showed me an apartment. Like, it looked so different from this, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And it had like okay. She told me it was gonna be smaller. I'm like, okay. It had like a island like right there. It's supposed to be an island, and then it's supposed to be a balcony, or like a long balcony, like a curved balcony and all. Really, I was excited because I'm like, okay, like I get the balcony. Like the balcony was really what I was excited about. So now, like, I come into an apartment, like it don't got no balcony. Like it's not even the balcony at all. Like, and then on top of that, like it's so like, I don't even know. I'm just so upset. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my palettes, cause I gotta throw them out now. I guess I'll show y'all the apartment now and we'll see. It is nice. It is nice. And for the price and for like where I'm at in town, it was a good price. But it's like, would I have considered paying an extra $100 for a balcony? Maybe I would have, but I had the opportunity. When you first come in, it got a little door. I think it's cool because the door, y'all, I've been crying, so excuse me. It got the little, like, it's a keypad that I use. So then here's the kitchen area. It's like no little thing for me to like, no island. I have to like get one or something. I don't know. This is like the living space. It's cool or whatever, I guess. And then this is the bedroom. So it's like I probably put like a little dresser over there or something. Put my phone. Here goes a side of the closet. There's like one side of the closet. And then this is the other side of the closet. So that's not bad. It's a lot of closet space. Let me see if I can show y'all. It's a decent amount of closet space. This thing is weirdly shaped, honestly, but it's cool. So then coming in here, this don't even, yeah, just regular tub, towel tub, bathroom. The mirror is cute, so that's a plus. Not much counter space, but look at my face, y'all. I've been crying. I'm so sad, but yeah. So then this is the counter, yeah, and yeah. So I'll be back. Guess we gotta move stuff. I don't even want to move in anymore. So we'll see, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all. What time is it?
It is 11:30.
Okay, it's 11:30. We are just finishing, not even done, bringing stuff in for the night. We are done. Before I get started to tell y'all about my day, how about, you know what? Let's start with the beginning of the day. So I was so upset earlier, y'all. Excuse me if I'm sweating. I'm nasty. Like, I'm about to jump in the shower. I'm about to put this bed together, and then we about to jump in the shower. We about to go to bed because we have to get back up tomorrow to take the U-Haul truck, the trailer back. And we also have to, we was supposed to take my granddaddy's truck back, but we're gonna wait till Sunday to take it back. Well, I'm gonna wait till Sunday to take it back because I got too much stuff to do tomorrow, and I am exhausted, and I haven't even been to bed really last night. So now tonight I'm barely gonna be to bed because it's almost 12 o'clock. So starting off earlier, it wasn't really nothing. It wasn't no trouble getting here, no none of that. I was just so upset. As y'all can see in the clip when I showed y'all the empty apartment tour, I was crying. Like, I'm still upset now, but like I'm not to the point where I'm crying anymore. But like it was just so like disappointing because the balcony like was supposed to be a wraparound balcony, y'all, and like I was so excited for it. Like I had went and found me like free pallets. I was looking up designs for balconies. Like I was doing all types of stuff, and like I even told my fiance, like, I don't care nothing about the apartment being furnished. Like I don't care even about having no bed. I don't care about none of that. I just want the balcony to be like nice. Come to find out, I don't even have a balcony. So like I don't know what the mix up is. I'm not even about to try to blame it on the people. I'm definitely not blaming it on me because I was told I was getting a balcony. But it is what it is. But at the end of the day, like I needed the apartment. Like I don't got nowhere else to live. My other apartment, I have to move out in like the next 2 weeks. So it really wasn't no more options for me. And with the price is being, so like this one bedroom I pay now, like I told y'all before, I pay $13.08, and then after like the fees and all that stuff, it's like $13.50, something $13.40 around that range. So I was like, I'm not getting no better than that in this area. And it is a very nice apartment, but it's just a balcony. But I'm blessed, so I'm just going to take the blessing and just continue to just make this space my own. But speaking of the space my own, so mind you, we go run it because I originally stayed like 50 minutes from my new apartment. So we went to the 50 minutes like to go get my old stuff. We was going like a little while. Chase was in here for probably like a good 3 hours. Chase is house train, and the funny thing is Amaz was just laughing with the lady because she was like, oh, it's Chase house train, and he was like, yeah, of course Chase house train. Like, what kind of question that even asked? Why we come back in this apartment and Chase has pooped on my floor? Like, are you crazy? Like, this is the first of all, I had a bad day. Like, then you gonna come in here and you gonna poop on my floor? Like, are you like, what is going on? I don't know if it's a new environment, but he got me messed up, and he will no. We not doing it. We're not doing that. Poop? Like, no, we're not doing it. Like, he's 3 years old, y'all. Chase is 3. Chase, no, we don't even get down like that. Like, we done had his whole pooping and doing like this little phase when he was younger. Okay, like, we broke you out of that, but what we not doing, we not going back to that. We're not going back to no pooping in no house. Like, are you like, come, what? Like, how like, I just don't, y'all don't think y'all understand how much Chase tried me. Like, he tried me. Look at him. And he probably look pitiful. Yeah, and lay on that bare floor because you're bad and you need a haircut. Might not even give you a haircut. Might let your hair grow over your eyes so you can't see for real, since you want to act like you don't know how to act. Loser. Okay. So ignore how everything is, y'all, because it's been so much going on. I haven't even got a chance to do anything. So right now I'm about to put this bed together real quick, like I said, so I can hurry up and get a shower. I just realized that we literally don't have no rings to put up the shower thing, so I'm definitely just gonna have to probably we probably just gonna have to wash close to the wall. Yeah, we're gonna figure something out. So I'm about to put this bed together and we will see.
And he got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through cool water. Eating like I'm underworld. Had my tattoos in Shibuya. Police think I'm out the underworld. 12 treat a nigga like he 12. How you looking up to me and talking down? See, I am the big man. All level, I am the I am. I'm filming with the drone cam and the pink like Killer Kill. Zone on that stick, no way. Also close, I'm on that kill. Controller on your lower back, yeah, that's good. Dick roll eyes back in the skull. Rolling, ride. Rolling when you ride. One, speed, acting, turn the light, 30, back, 16 version this, 27,
Okay, so today is July 4th. So I have been here for a couple of days and we've been trying to get together, but we've been doing better. So I'm gonna show y'all around a little bit, but it's still a little junky, so excuse it. But here is my mirror. So, well, I look cute. Can y'all see me? Why I won't zoom in? I look cute though, but yeah. So we about to go hang out with a couple of our home people. I said homeboys, homegirls. I got this. It says Joshua 19. If you're not familiar with it, be familiar with it. I'm screaming. But finally got the TV up. Got the couch over here. Mine's got, why is the camera not focusing, y'all? Hold on. Okay, got the stuff over here. Here go Miles and Chase coming in the door. Hi, Stinker Winky. Hi, you want me to do the booty? Hi. Hi. And then, yeah, so got TV up. Got some stuff going on over here in the kitchen. Still looks a mess. Room still looks a mess. Got the bed made up. But I got my TV on the wall, though. Yeah. So, we're going to get everything together, eventually. And I don't know when it's gonna be. I start work tomorrow. Tomorrow's my first day of work. I'm super excited. It's a little, I mean, it's not a little job, it's a big job. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be working at a Walgreens, so it ain't nothing too major. But yeah, just something to put some bread in my pocket until I finish school. So hopefully I'll be able to work as much as possible. So try to get this video edited, try to get everything together. By the time I edit this video, I might have the apartment a little bit more together, so I probably will be showing you guys more of the apartment. I might do like a whole nother video just showing y'all when I officially get everything together. So I'm not sure, but this might be the last little bit clip of the video. But I don't know. So we'll see. If I see y'all again, I see y'all again. If not, I don't know. Hey y'all. Okay, so it's like, I don't know what day it is. I just wanted to quickly show y'all I'm not, ignore how I look. I want to just show y'all the L I was about to take on this 4-in-a-row game we found on the TV. So just tune in.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yes, sir. Woo.
Nah, let's run it again.
No. That's 2 out of 3, my guy.
You was confusing me. You had to think you thought you was better than a nigga, bro.